Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I am Shayana Rai, your IELTS speaking test taker. Can you please tell me your full name?
My name is Penha Kesi.
Okay, Penna, we are going to start the speaking test with part 1 of the speaking test where we are going to talk about food. What kind of food do you like?
I'm very fond of having homemade meals, especially traditional foods that are from my culture. I find them not only delicious, but it's a lot more healthier compared to fast foods. And occasionally, I do like to try different cuisines when I'm out with my friends.
Great. Do you prefer eating at home or you'd prefer to eat outside?
To be honest, I prefer eating at home because I know exactly how the food is prepared and I really want to create a healthy diet plan for me, so it's a plus point for me.
How often do you eat fast food?
I prefer not to eat fast food very often because I'm very conscious about my health and having consuming fast food has a lot of negative effects. So I will stick to my regular meal.
Did you like the food you ate as a child?
Yes, definitely. I love the food that are cooked by my mom, and since I've been growing up, my mom has been cooking for me. So it has brought a lot of memories for me, childhood memories and family time. It's a very special thing for me.
Is it important for you to try new food?
Yes, it's important because trying new foods helps me to explore more flavors and taste, and not only that, it also helps me to explore more about different cultures and tradition. So if I ever get a chance to explore more different cuisines, then I would love to.
Thank you so much. That is the end of your speaking part 1.
Thank you.